Hello everyone, today we're going to go over how to clean up your WordPress dashboard. This is especially useful if you are new. You may notice first that your tools are kind of hidden and you can only access them if you hover over, which can be a little bit annoying. So if we select this play looking button, it's actually expand and collapse. So let's expand it and now we can read what everything is instead of just going off of an icon. The next thing we can look into is cleaning up this dashboard. What's important to us? So we've got this welcome to WordPress message, customize your site, write your first post. We're going to do all this. You can click through these steps if you want. Otherwise, you can just click this dismiss button and turn it off. We have some other items here about activity, Yoast, SEO. So if I click this screen options here, I can turn all these settings off. So let's turn off the site health, at a glance, activity, Yoast, quick draft, WordPress events. And now I have all these options. So if I wanted to see the site health, it's always good to know that the site's running well. Maybe we want to see at a glance. We have one page, one comment, one post. And we can even drag that over here if we want, just for organization's sake. Other information we're receiving on this dashboard is that the theme we're using requires certain plugins. So this is good. We don't want to necessarily dismiss this because we want to know what our theme requires.